Okay, I know it's been a few weeks since we've had a 5-Minute Friday, and I've been a little silent because we've been super busy. Super pumped, but we just finalized the plans on our teardrop trailer with Wanderlust Overland, so that'll be in production pretty soon. And they're going to help us with our GX470 build, so that starts this weekend. And I've been stocking up parts for almost 2 years now, and I'm super pumped to be putting them on the truck finally. We'll be doing a build series, and we'll take you guys through the whole process of raw steel and stock vehicle to towing our home on wheels down to South America. So I'm super stoked on that. Sorry to interrupt. I just wanted to fill you in on what's going on, and I haven't forgot about you guys. 2 more Thai vlogs, and then we'll start the build series. Maybe I might fill in with some other stuff, but we'll be starting that build series with the GX470 and the trailer build. So stay tuned for that, guys, and sorry for interrupting. Go ahead. Alright, so we're in Railay Beach right now. We just got to the islands last night, and it was a little bit of a chaotic mess. We didn't realize that our bungalow was on a bay that was inaccessible by car, so we had to take a boat around, which ended up being more of a hassle than we thought because the price was super expensive unless we got enough people to get on the boat and come over here, and then it lessened the price. So we had to wait about half an hour, 45 minutes, and then we got to our bungalow, man, about 8:30, 9 o'clock. And is it rustic? It is as rustic as it gets. So I can't really complain because this is an amazing beach, and it's gotta count myself lucky being here, for sure.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, I don't wanna go back. Intentions are good. I walk back to my history, into my old neighborhood.
So we're just about to leave our bungalow here, the Chill Out Bungalow, and it is far from chill, I'll tell you that. It was really rustic. Actually, that's what they called it on the thing, is a rustic bungalow, and that suits it very well because this place was rustic. It was fun though. Actually, I didn't care for this one at all. The bed hurt my back. I didn't sleep well. There's no flushing toilet. The shower's a hose with a shower end on it, and yeah, we're ready to get back and go to a little bit nicer place. Do I sound a little bit uppity? I feel a little bit uppity right now. Anyways. we made it to Koh Lanta, and the mayhem was I thought we were staying at PP Island up until this morning, and then I realized we're staying in Koh Lanta. So here we are in Koh Lanta, and it was a much longer boat ride than they said it was going to be, and hot, and we're here now. So I'm looking forward to a little R&R for a second before we go explore Koh Lanta. Thought it was appropriate that we come to this bar and check it out, and it's pretty cool. It's all in the sand, so all the tables and everything are in the sand, and we're having difficulty trying to figure out what to order though, just because a lot of Thai food. It's a lot of good Thai food, but just a lot of the same stuff. So and same, but different. I'm not sure what's going on right now. I walked out onto our porch, and for some reason, this is what I heard.